how are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm so glad you are too. Assalamu alaikum and hello friends. How are you today? Well, I have a surprise for you. Today, I would like to welcome one of my Storytime friends. I would like to introduce to you all Jackson. Hello, Jackson. Hello, Miss B. How are you today? I'm fine, Jackson. How are you? I am fine. Thank you for having me today. I'm so excited for story time. You are? Yes, I'm so excited. Okay, so our story for today, do you know what story we're going to be reading today? Oh, no, I don't know. What story are we reading today? Well, I'll tell you. Today's story is, are you ready? Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. What? I love cupcakes. I can't wait to have some. All right, Jackson, we'll find out. So come on, let's begin. And Jackson will join us afterwards, okay? Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. Story and illustrations by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete and Gus were as busy as could be. They were getting ready for the cupcake party. It started at 3. They were making cupcakes for everyone. Pete and Gus counted them just for fun. They had 10 when they were done. Oh no, hang on. Some of the cupcakes were gone. They were sure there had been 10. Pete said maybe we need to count again. They counted the cupcakes lined up straight. Now there were only 8. It looked like someone had taken 2, but who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found a clue. Gus said, "Look what I have found. Sprinkles on the ground. I bet it was Squirrel. She loves sprinkles." Squirrel said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been at the spelling bee." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. This was too weird. 2 more cupcakes had disappeared. Now there were only 6. Someone must be playing tricks. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found another clue. Pete said, "I bet it was Alligator. He loves to eat." Alligator said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been learning my ABCs." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. Now there were only 4. Someone had taken 2 more. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found another clue. "I bet it was Turtle," said Pete. "I know Turtle loves sweets." Turtle said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been swimming in the sea." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. What on earth was going on? All the cupcakes were now gone. Pete and Gus did not know what to do. They started looking for another clue. They found Grumpy Toad with icing on his face. Pete and Gus solved the case. I'm so sorry, it was me. I could not stop with just one. I ate and ate till there were none. Everyone agreed Grumpy Toad would have to miss the fun. He could not come after what he had done. Pete said, "But wait, Grumpy Toad made a mistake. This is true. Let's give him a second chance. That's what friends do." Pete told Grumpy Toad they would give him another chance. He was so excited, he did a happy dance. The night of the party was so much fun. Grumpy Toad brought more than enough cupcakes for everyone. The end. I hope you enjoyed the story. Let's bring back our friend Jackson. Wow! I cannot believe that there were 10 and then all of a sudden they kept going and going and going until they were gone. But do you remember, Jackson, who was the one who ate all the cupcakes? Yes, it was Grumpy Toad. That's right, it was Grumpy Toad. But was it nice to eat all the cupcakes, one by one or two by two? No, it wasn't nice because they were waiting to have a cupcake party. Yeah, I know, I remember that. But it always is good to be kind again and be respectful. And that's what we do. I'll remember that it's good to be friends together. That's right, friends together, and they stay together when they help each other. So, next time you have a cupcake party, remember to call your friends and share with them, because sharing is caring. That's right, Jackson. Sharing is caring. So, we will see you next time on Storytime with Miss Baig. Bye, boys and girls. Assalamu alaikum. All right, Jackson, we will see you again. The more we meet together, 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 the more we meet together, the happier we'll be, because your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we meet together, the happier we'll be. Assalamu alaikum.